Welcome to this tutorial on creating a Google Cloud instance template with the latest Ubuntu OS using Python. In today's digital age, having a robust and scalable infrastructure is crucial for any organization or individual looking to deploy applications or services. One of the most popular cloud platforms for doing so is Google Cloud Platform, GCP. However, manually setting up instances can be time-consuming and prone to errors. In this video, we'll explore how to automate the process of creating a Google Cloud instance template with the latest Ubuntu OS using Python. This will not only save you time, but also ensure consistency in your deployments. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Python to create and manage your GCP instance templates. To begin, let's break down what an instance template is. An instance template is a resource that defines the properties of an instance, including its machine type, boot disk settings, and network configurations. By creating a template, you can easily spin up multiple instances with identical configurations, streamlining your deployment process. Now, to create an instance template using Python, we'll be leveraging the Google Cloud Client library for Python. This library provides a set of APIs that allow us to interact with GCP resources programmatically. The first step involves setting up our project and enabling the necessary APIs in the GCP console. Once we've set up our project, we can start writing our Python script. We'll begin by importing the necessary libraries and authenticating our service account using the Google Cloud Client library. After authentication, we can define our instance template properties, including the machine type, boot disk settings, and network configurations. One of the key benefits of using an instance template is that it allows us to specify a custom image or a specific OS version for our instances. In this case, we'll be using the latest Ubuntu OS. To do so, we can specify the Ubuntu OS image in our template properties. With our template properties defined, we can then create the instance template resource using the Google Cloud Client library. This will involve making an API call to GCP, passing in our template properties as parameters. Once our instance template is created, we can use it to spin up multiple instances with identical configurations. We can do so by creating an instance group or a managed instance group using the instance template. To recap, here are the from this tutorial. An instance template defines the properties of an instance, including its machine type, boot disk settings, and network configuration. The Google Cloud Client library for Python provides a set of APIs that allow us to interact with GCP resources programmatically. We can specify a custom image or a specific OS version for our instances using an instance template. With an instance template, we can easily spin up multiple instances with identical configuration. That's it for this tutorial on creating a Google Cloud instance template with the latest Ubuntu OS using Python. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to automate your GCP deployments using Python. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on cloud computing and DevOps. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. What other topics related to cloud computing and automation would you like us to cover in future tutorials? Let us know in the comments, and we'll do our best to create content that meets your needs. Thanks again for watching, and happy automating